Okay, I'm going to give you a real quick room tour. This is room 1336, which means it's on the first floor, room 1336. So we'll start right here at the door. Just kind of let you look down the hallway. Not much to it. We'll just go straight through. On the left, you're going to have your counter. This is where you're going to keep your water, your drinks, things like that. Obviously, we had two 12 packs of soda. Your TV's up here, very small TV, very small. Your safe is right below. Pretty simple. And then right below the safe, you have the fridge. We actually left a few Cokes in there for the next person. That's what we had left over out of 24. To the right, as you're coming in the room, to the right, you have your first drawer, which has the hairdryer in it. This is why you don't need to bring a hairdryer. So there's a total of 4 drawers, and I'm pretty sure the bottom one is a little bit bigger. Not much, but a little bit. You have a stool for the makeup, kind of like a makeup counter, I guess, right? Obviously a mirror. Decent lights. Let me see if it's this. Oh, sorry, that's all the lights. Maybe it's this one. Nope, that's to the bathroom. You'd think I'd already have this figured out. Okay, now all the lights are on except for the lamps. You do have a telephone here. There's only one outlet for the whole room, really. Now there is a European outlet here, so if you have one of the European to American outlets, you can do that. Again, that's the only outlet here. There's another European outlet behind the bed, and that's what the 2 lamps are plugged into. So if you have 2 European outlets, you could probably unplug the lamps and use that back there. The bed is very comfortable. It's 2 twins here, pushed into a king. They could actually be on the side of the room too if there's 2 separate people sleeping in the room. Each side of the bed has a nightstand. Pretty simple. Not much space, but it'll work. Okay, we'll get to the closets now. This is the closest to the counter closet. It's basically all shelves. You can do this. There's a bar in the way. That's why that one's not going all the way up. But you can do this here. Oops. Okay, now that's up. If you wanted to use this rack, hanging rack, you don't have to. This one has only one shelf at the top. The rest of it's all hanging rack, hanging closet. Plenty of space here. We used, clothes here and then a suitcase down here. And then we did the same thing over here. It's just the hangers here are going one direction this way instead of horizontal. That's occupied, so you're not really going to get to use this shelf, but suitcase again down there. You can tell this ship's getting a little old. There's certain things that you can just tell that it's getting old, but one is like this light's broke big time. Another one is on this closet door. The hinge is out. So you can just tell it's getting aged. I believe this ship was built in 2009 maybe, I'm pretty sure. The bathroom, just your standard bathroom. Oh, good thing I looked in here. We're getting ready to leave, so I'm doing this tour video as we're debarking the Carnival Dream here. Plenty of space, I think. I think the bathroom's plenty big enough. It feels bigger than the Jubilee. The shower still has the curtain. I don't like that. I do like the glass doors. But that's the towels that we used yesterday. Plenty of space in here though, y'all. We never felt crowded in this room. It's a good size room. It's an interior size room, it is an interior room, so it is a little bit on the small side, but really it works out perfect for just 2 people. Remember, the walls are metal, so you can use them as magnets. These are our magnets that we hand out to people for souvenirs. All right, I don't think there's anything else really in this room that I can explain to you. It's a pretty simple room, pretty common room for an interior room. Phone's ringing, telling us to leave. All right, we'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.